Hey, welcome to my channel. My name is David Jarena, and I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a Sony WH-1000M3, but there's been a lot of unboxing out there about this one. What am I doing on this video that's different is I use something that's called Zebit. I just wanted to try it out. I had the credit line with them, never bought anything from there, but I was like, you know what, let me try it out. So basically, what's pretty cool about their whole marketing to the public is basically life happens, buy what you need, pay over time. So cool thing is you don't have to, they're not going to run your credit. They're just going to ask for certain information. Once that comes back, you'll have a credit line with them, anywhere from 1,000 and up, and you'll be able to use that credit line for purchases. So on this one, so the Sony WH-1000M3, I got it in black, and right now you could get them anywhere on Amazon for $279. Best Buy has it for $349.99 with price match, so you could probably get the $279 price range on that one. But definitely online you can get anywhere from $259 to $350. Big range still with this product, how good it is out there. So my breakdown was the price point on this one was $299. Shipping handling with taxes around $27.17. Basically it comes out to $342.15. What's pretty cool is all I had to pay was $85.53 and they shipped it out to me. And I'll be doing $21.39 payments until the price is paid off. You pay over time, no interest, no fees. So that's the difference about this. So let's get it going. We're gonna do the unboxing, and I'll come back in a couple of days and just let you know what I think about the product. I do have an iPhone and I have a Pixel 3 XL, so I'm gonna use it on both. Connectability, Bluetooth, battery life, you know, just try out the product and let you know what I feel about it. So here we go. Cool thing with Zebit, ordered the product on a Sunday, got it within 3 days, not even. It was pretty quick. It was FedEx delivered express and came in this packaging, nicely secure. Tracking number, invoice, and here we go. Product we've been waiting for. Looks pretty good. Let's open it up, see what's inside. Nice case. So they're here saying about easy setup. You know, download the application, power up the headphones, it should be good to go. Apple Store, Google Play. Exactly how it comes out here. Oh, this case is nice. Little pocket there so you can put some other stuff in there. Quality build, looks really good. Look at that. So these are external speakers up on top that takes in information also. It is USB-C. That's all I buy now. Everything has to be USB-C or I don't want it. So this is it. It comes with an extra cable, airplane jack, USB-C. Doesn't come with a power brick, but we all have it everywhere. So there you go. That's the video. It's a little bit about Zebit. It worked for me. Definitely a big thing about it also is I did contact them because there was some things that I saw that was a little out of whack in their website. So how it worked was, you know, contacted them. They responded right away, which was pretty cool. So I was looking at Surface Go, 8 gigabytes of memory, 128 gigabytes of drive, it was a 4G LTE model, and the Microsoft Store has it for $679. Zebit has it for $851.99. That's a difference of $173. So when I contacted them, they wrote back to me right away. Thank you in contacting Zebit. I can help you with your requests. While we are not always the lowest cost provider, we work hard to be competitive, but you're right, some things are lower elsewhere. Some things might be higher. However, some of our items are actually lower than what you might find elsewhere. We don't own our own warehouse, so we work with growing networks of vendors to make great selections of products available to people who are interested in making small monthly payments over time. Which, when I wrote to them, I told them I understand they have to make some money, but I just thought the 173 was a big, big price tag to be paying. So they wrote that back, and like I said, like these I saw them for $2.99. I was like, why not? Out there's a big fluctuation in the market still with this product, so it worked for me. Getting the credit there was easy, simple, quick. They don't even run your credit. They just ask for basic information, just to basically your income, where you live, information to make sure it's you, and then they give you a credit line. So it's pretty simple. If it's something that you really don't want to go out there and shed out $300 on headphones right off the bat, you could definitely, $85 get them shipped to you, and then you're paying $20 a month, $21 a month. So it was pretty cool. That's my experience with Zebit. Will I use it again? Most likely. If it's something that I don't feel I need but I want, then maybe I'll purchase it there if the price point is relatively close to the market. So that's my review. Hope you like the unboxing. I'm going to be doing my review later on how the product works, and I'll have much more videos on this one. Thanks a lot.